remember the short? Now it's happening. So we're gonna start making the food, but first let me just walk you guys through what the ingredients are. First we have an onion, 1 small onion, 1 pound of ground beef, some salt, pepper, and sumac. Remember, it's always optional. If you don't like sumac, it's okay. People in Middle Eastern like it. Everyone's different. We also have bell peppers and tomatoes. Also, guys, just to point out, I've been eating kebab all my life. It's one of my favorite dishes my mom used to make me when I was a little kid. And it's just one of my favorite dishes because I love it. It's really great. And bet after this video, you guys will love it too. Let's get started on making the kebab. So first, what you want to do is grind your onion. I'm really new at doing this, so it's pretty interesting. This is literally my first time doing this, so it's kind of hard. So don't judge me if you're like a professional cook, because this is my first time doing this. I've never done this, so it's pretty cool. So we're just gonna grind this and then put it in the meat. If you guys have any better options or anything you guys want me to cook, please comment down below what you guys want me to cook. And don't forget, I will shout you guys out in my next video. I will shout you guys out. So once we have the onion done, we're just gonna move on and we're gonna put the meat in the bowl. Oh. Just be careful. You might want to wear goggles when you're doing this because it burns your eyes. Hey, can you guys do me a favor and put comments and say what food you guys want me to make next? Cause I want to know what you guys like to eat and what's your favorite food. Hey guys, so I just finished the onion and scraping it. So now we're gonna put the ground beef in the bowl. So you might want to be careful with this because it's really raw. Make sure to wash your hands before you start, or get a it's in my eyes now. Ow. Yeah. Sorry guys, I had technical issues with my eyes, and I already put the ingredient. It's just some sumac and stuff. You just put it in there. It's okay. So I'm just going to continue mixing it. Sorry about that. Technical issues with my eyes there. Really burns and hurts. This is my first time handling raw meat, and it's kind of weird. It's like Play-Doh, but very disgusting. I'm sorry. It's like slime, but it doesn't stick together. It's like falling apart. And Play-Doh does not feel like this or smells like this. Also, it doesn't burn your eyes. That's a child safety hazard if I ever thought of it. Honestly. If this was like a new flavor of Play-Doh, honestly, that would be so dangerous. Actually burns your eyes, especially my right one. I just got a new gloves and I washed my hands and I cleaned the table. So now I'm going to go get the pan. You can use any size pan. It depends how much you're putting, how much meat. So all you want to do real quick is just transfer the meat to the bowl. Like that, and then put the bowl in the sink. And so now what we're going to do is this. We're going to flatten it like pizza, but instead we're going to do it like this. It's kind of a weird consistency because it's not like if you want, you can do this. This is optional, not really needed to. But just punch, because sometimes, I like punching it. It's pretty easy. And it feels really cool. Here comes the fun part, guys. Now we're going to cut it up in the pan, and then we're going to let it cook for 6 minutes. Then we're going to put the tomatoes on. Then we're going to put the lid. Then the bell peppers. And then we have to wait an extra 10-20 minutes. Then it shall be ready. Okay, let's get started. So first, what you want to do is put your thing onto medium heat, which is probably like a 4. And then what you want to do is like just continue cutting. Okay, so Alexa, set the timer for 5 minutes. Ah, jeez.
5 minutes, starting now.
Make sure you wear goggles when you do this because it really burns your eyes. Ow. Yeah, make sure you wear goggles. It really hurts when you do this. I don't know if you guys can see through camera, but there's like tears coming down. Okay, so we just put the timer for 5 minutes, and now we're just gonna let that. What you want to do, don't put the lid on yet till 5 minutes ends. Then you want to put the tomatoes, and then you should be good, and then put the lid on for 10 minutes. So now we wait. Hey, if you're wondering, also, if you guys like my content, please like and smash that subscribe button. So we only got a few more minutes, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, so it's been 5 minutes or 6 minutes. And now we're just gonna flip it over, and then we're gonna add the tomatoes and then put the lid on, and then let it cook for an extra how many minutes?
15, 20.
15, 20. Okay. Yeah. So let's just flip it real quick. Did you flip this already?
No.
Okay. So I'm gonna do it. There we go. And here comes the other. There. And now we flip this one. Okay, guys, so now we're putting the tomatoes in. Oof. This part is kind of scary, so let me just... There. And then here's the other one. There, and... You might want to be very careful on this part, guys, because it is very scary. Like, we don't have experience doing this. Okay, so you put the tomatoes, and now we put the bell peppers, okay, guys? So here's a way to do it, is just put them everywhere, like this, and here we go. I think this is a new recipe my mom made because I've never seen her do it with bell peppers. So this is the first time she's doing it. Well, I'm doing it technically. So yeah. And now what we want to do is put the lid on. Okay, guys? Here. And, I need to put 2-3 tablespoons of water. And then what we do is we put this back on. Then what you want to do is put it to medium. So that should be a 4. And now we just wait, guys. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, so normally people use rice to eat it, but a lot of people also use bread. And there's a bunch of different bread you can use. It doesn't matter which one you use as long as you like it. Also, you can also eat it with rice. Different types of rice, like white rice, brown rice. It mostly tastes better with white rice and bread. But if you're someone who likes bread a lot, and you like it more than rice, then you can put bread, or if you like rice more, put rice. It's up to you guys. Okay, guys, so now that my family and I love sumac, we're going to add some more. Remember, this is an optional one. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. Okay, so now we put the lid back on, then we let it cook. For the next 5 minutes. Okay guys, so my mom just made the rice behind scenes, and now if you guys want to see of me making rice, comment down below, rice fan, okay? So now we're gonna check out the rice. Ooh, that looks good. And there's like crunchy bits, and what we want to do is like, If you want, you guys can add sumac to all of the rice, or you could do it separately if people don't want it. Get the rice out of the pan, and now I'm gonna bring it over here and we're gonna serve. This is busting, y'all. You guys gotta try it. Okay, guys, so I just finished the food, and now we're gonna talk about what's on the plate. So we got the tomatoes, the crunchy rice, and then the regular rice below, some kabob, and then bell peppers. Please like, smash that like button, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.